will do Cheryl.
Yeah, you want Cheryl to feel better?
Yeah.
Is Cheryl your friend?
Yeah.
Can you tell her that?
And not John's friend.
You're not John's friend?
No.
No. Do you miss Cheryl?
Oh, my falling out of the wall.
You're falling off the wall. Do you want to tell Cheryl anything else?
And I'm on the wall.
Yeah. You want to tell Cheryl anything else?
When you up here on the wall.
Tell Cheryl I love you.
When you up here.
Can you say I love you? Can you say I love you?
Yeah, you.
Say I miss you?
I miss you.
You want to tell her anything else?
Hi, Cheryl.
Hi, Cheryl. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
You want to say anything, Evan? Just smiles? You gonna give her giggles? Evan. Evan.